Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking iOS and clearing space so system gestures behave normally. Next, restart the iPhone to clear transient glitches and disable reachability under Accessibility Touch because it changes swipe behavior. Then, take off any screen protector or tight case that lifts edges and causes accidental pulls. This affects the notification pull-down swipe. Once done, make sure you have one-handed reach gestures turned off and that your screen is clean and dry before moving to deeper settings. Now you focus on gestures and notifications. Reset the home screen layout if custom icons or third-party launchers altered swipes, which restores default gesture mapping. Go into Settings Notifications and verify each app's notification style and lock screen access so the center responds predictably. Also, disable Assistive Touch and any custom gesture shortcuts that might intercept top-edge swipes, because those features can steal the downward drag. Once these are adjusted, test the pull-down from different edge points to confirm improvement. To finish, if the notification bar still slides oddly, back up your iPhone and use Settings General Transfer or Reset to return settings to defaults. This clears hidden config conflicts. If that fails, update or restore the device through iTunes or Finder to eliminate software corruption. Make sure to test before restoring apps. If problems continue, consider hardware. You may need an Apple diagnostic for the touchscreen. Key tip: replicate the issue while recording video to show technicians exactly what you experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.